Alrighty, it is 7 a.m. on day 93 and we are walking into Syed Valley. Yay! I think Dave is hoping that we can get there before the cafe closes at 2. So it's now 7. We've got 14 miles to do. See how we go. Could go either way, depending on how much motivation we have and how our knees take the downhill. Apparently there are lots of blackberries, and people say it's a real time suck because you're just like, ooh, blackberries, ooh, yum, 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 yum. It's a pretty river.
I'm a man or am I a mouse? I'm a man, I'm sorry to say. That's what makes me weak. That's what makes me doubt what I speak. It makes me doubt who I am. Am I a man? The mouse, he beats me with ease at being just what he is, though tiny and meek.
So we've got a 6.5 mile road walk now. Yay! Dave's still getting distracted picking berries. I don't blame him. They are very delicious and they're very handy right on the road. It's nice walking on a road. There's lots of space. You can just like do this and not hit anything spiky. You don't have plants getting into your eyeballs. You know, nice stuff. This is not the usual mile marker that you see. This one means sub 1,000 miles to the finish. How awesome is that? Only 1,000 miles left to go. I'm excited. Yay! And hopefully we should be in Oregon by tomorrow, potentially. We'll see how much time we spend at this cafe in the general store.
There's a mouse, is a mouse. There's a mouse, is a mouse. There's a mouse, is a mouse.
Guys, come to the Wildwood Inn. They do hummus samplers. It's amazing. So yesterday we went from the Syed Valley Cafe half a mile to the Wildwood Inn, and we hung out there for hours and hours. We had like 4 meals and a beer or 2. It was crazy. Their food is amazing. I definitely recommend the Wildwood Inn. Oh my goodness, so wonderful, such friendly people, amazing food. So we hung out there until about 6:37. We're like, oh, like it's getting really late. We actually have to hike up this damn mountain. So we ended up doing 5 miles, getting halfway, which was good. And now we're doing the rest. It's been really steep, but I think this is the last really big climb for a while. Hey guys, it is day 95 on the PCT. So we just walked into Oregon last night. Yay! We walked about 0.3 miles, camped, and then yeah, we've just had a lazy morning. And we're looking to get into Ashland tonight, maybe, if we can get a hitch. If we can't, we'll just stay at the Callahan's Lodge, which is pretty close to trail. It's, I think, just under 26 miles away, so yay! Feels good to be in Oregon. Feel like this is progress. We've made it. And now it feels like, holy moly, there's not much longer to go. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited to finish. Just to say that I've done it. See everything. See all that Oregon has to offer. Yeah. I think the closer and closer I get, the more excited I am to be on the trail again. The more excited I am to just come home and see my family and my pets and everything. It just feels like everything's starting to become a little bit more real. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, happy vibes. To make this day even better, we just crossed paths with a southbounder who said 7 miles ahead of us, there's trail magic! Yay! There's a whole bunch of sodas in an esky on the side of a road somewhere. I'm so excited. She said it's just been topped up. Definitely gonna get some. Yes! Since I got the trail name Nosebleed, I haven't really had like a proper nosebleed, and today is that day. I've already just totally soaked my handkerchief, and yeah, today's the second nosebleed of today. It's not too bad, but it just doesn't want to stop. Ooh, hey guys, so guess where we are, or I am. Wait, where are we? We're in Ashland, Oregon. Hey, we're in a different state. So something kind of funny and annoying happened. We were trying to hitch out, and we were waiting for ever and ever and ever. So we just gave up and ordered an Uber. And just as the Uber pulled up, some other guy in a pickup truck came over and he's like, hey, do you need a lift into Ashland? I'm like, God damn it. We just spent $30 on this Uber and like we can't cancel now because we're literally putting our backpacks in. So, all right, whatever. That's cool. Get a lift into town, and we are staying at the Roadway Inn. Roadway Hotel? Motel? I don't know. It's nice, it's all right. Put a load of washing on, and in the meantime, we went to Rite Aid, had to get changed, and thankfully Rite Aid, which is just across from the Suds, Your Duds, it also has like a tiny mini post office, the USPS, so we got some flat rate boxes, and yeah, we're going to do like a 5-minute walk across the road to go to the Ashland's own shopping cart.